Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to undo and redo. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. The regular undo and do, like kind of like with most things, is if you use the Control Z and Control Shift Z, you can kind of bring things back. But you can do that way, of course. But if you're looking on how to do it specifically on GIMP, you just go to File, up at the top there, or no, sorry, File, you go to Edit, and then from the Edit, you can see the do and undo. So as you see, it's got redo and it's got undo. So redo is Control Y and undo is Control V. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching.